What's up? This is Darkrow72. So, day number 4, Git Good challenge. So what I tried to do was concentrate on just a couple of different moves. I didn't want to go crazy with anything. I didn't want to go flying all over the place, even though I did go flying all over the place. But so what I really wanted to concentrate was doing a roll over the top of an object. So starting on one side of the fence and going to the other side of the fence, which is something that you saw Bardwell do in his video. And then the other thing I was working on was split S flips. So split S through a gap. And I realized that I need to do a lot more work. So anyway, I hope you liked the video, and here you go, guys. So I know what you're thinking. 5 packs a day, and that was 3 packs. Somebody lost the charger for his transmitter, and that was as good as it was going to get. Unfortunately, the transmitter started telling me low battery warning, and you know what? I'm just not going to risk it. I'm a fly safe kind of guy, and I want to be careful with what I do. I don't want to take any chances of anything. So I figure better off just to land and lick my wounds on my last 2 packs and order a new charger from FR Sky or Free Sky or however you pronounce it. That's it, guys. It's been raining pretty much nonstop ever since, so hopefully I'll be able to get out and get some airtime. I know my buddies are flying inside buildings and stuff like that right now, and honestly, with no battery pack for the charger, I'm grounded. So hopefully get some airtime tomorrow. Peace.